Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing great. Feeling good for a bank holiday weekend as well. I mean, look at what's going on for APE. We actually saw huge numbers here at $27. We were talking about these fib levels down here, these lower support levels that we may potentially revisit, and we did. So let's have a look at what can potentially happen for APECOIN now. We have had this small pullback in the market. Also, guys and girls, just want to make sure you are aware of my giveaway at the moment, $100 giveaway on this channel. Just head over to the Twitter down in the description below to enter. Really easy. You can enter in literally just a few minutes. Make sure you don't miss out on the opportunity to potentially win $100 there, guys. Just a way of saying thank you for all the support that you've given me. So APECOIN is unbelievably just roaring through resistances at the moment, and it's almost as if it's just resistant to the whole entire bearish sentiment in the market. We're fully aware that we had the Bored Ape Yacht Club launch its metaverse project today, and we didn't really see a sell-off as large as we expected, but we have put through a lower high on this 4-hour time frame, as we can see right here. Now, the reason I'm bullish is because we still only have a $5 billion market cap, and it's the governance token which will be used to actually buy the NFTs and everything in the particular metaverse, such as the land and things like this. So I just want to show you on the firstly the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frames. We can see what happened is we took that correction on our Fibonacci. We came down from this swing low right here on the swing high, and we come just below that 0.618 golden pocket Fibonacci. We had a nice symmetrical triangle which turned into a bit of a textbook cup and handle, to be honest. We can see we had this big V-shaped recovery, lots of accumulation. We're pretty oversold on the RSI on this particular time frame. And then we put through the actual handle, broke to the upside, and now we're back in another symmetrical triangle on this particular time frame. On the 5-minute, you can see that we're just bouncing off this particular support level here at $23.13. So if we can see continuation to the upside right here for our lovely APECOIN, we should be able to break out the symmetrical triangle, break back to the prior resistance level. If we join up this high here to this particular swing high, I know they're not super accurate, but it does give us a trajectory of a resistance around $25.22. Now, we have put through a lower high, which effectively is usually a bearish thing, but if we can get an impulse on this particular swing, we take the swing high down to the swing low on the fib extension tool, when we go back into price discovery, if it does happen, we're going to see this $30, $31 or $33 increase, which, you know, I really think it's actually quite possible to happen at this rate. The only difference is before we've pretty much put through higher highs consistently, except this one high right here. So as long as we can consolidate on this range where we are right now, I think it's safe to say we could still see a $30 APECOIN. One of the key areas to look for right now is this particular resistance at $23.58, as we are going to have a challenge getting back through there, and it does almost look like a double top bearish continuation pattern right here on this particular, a reversal pattern, shall I say, on this particular 5-minute time frame, which means if we've seen a bullish momentum, the double top will actually flip us into a bearish downtrend. But I think that's very unlikely in this particular situation. For our time frame, we can see we've cooled down a little bit. We've got that red candle in. We're down to 58 on the RSI, so things are looking pretty good, and the strength of this recovery was really good. That shows people were waiting for an initial pullback before loading and pumping their bags. So we're seeing a lot of juicy volume. It's actually some of the biggest volume we've ever seen for APECOIN, even from the beginning of the launch. So this is extremely nice. You want to be trading with the volume. I do think APECOIN is going to see some bigger numbers, such as $30 over the next few days, because of this particular data right here before my eyes. If you want to grab some APECOIN today, by the way, just use the description link at the very top. Best, easiest, safest way to grab some APECOIN. Of course, you don't have to copy me. I'm just a YouTuber, but I am feeling bullish, so I'll be loading up on this particular project. Now, what else can we look at in the market, really? Well, the BLX, what's going on is we've had a 56% correction in this particular market cycle. Historically, we've seen higher corrections, but I'm not worried. I think this reflects mass adoption. I think this reflects the strength of the amount of enterprise, government, you know, and basically investors that are now actually interested in crypto is just way too high compared to 2017. So we're seeing the diminished returns, but we're also seeing less volatility at the same time. One could speculate, you know, 2023, if it's a true bear market, we could move down to 70%, taking us to about $20,000 Bitcoin. But I do think that's very unlikely. Fear and greed index, we're sitting at 20 on the fear and greed, so this makes me bullish. You want to be dollar cost averaging in these bearish scenarios. I know it's easy for your emotions to be invalidated when you're feeling scared and fear in the markets, but usually it is the best time to potentially buy. Just before we do check out, rank 23 is the APECOIN at the moment, $23.33 and $6.6 billion market cap. So we have actually moved up quite a bit. I still think $10 to $15 billion market capitalization is a great target. We can see the total supply at the moment, however, is a 28% circulation. So we don't know how this gets released. We should probably look into the tokenomics. But yeah, just understand that there is a fully diluted market cap of around 4 times as much at $23.3 billion, which isn't a huge problem, to be honest. I mean, so far APE is booming. It's where the eyes are. It's where the volume is. Huge trading volume. So if you're looking to trade APE today, I would say it's best to get in on APE now whilst the hype is here, whilst you can follow the momentum, because I do think we're going to at least get a break out to the upside. I mean, on the contrary though, you could look at the lows, you could join the lows together and actually suggest, well, what, this is just a major broadening channel looking at a downtrend scenario, but I don't know what the likelihood of that is. I think we're going to hold this position, see another breakout and retest the resistance level over here at $27. APE looks extremely strong right now, extremely strong, very, very tempting to keep on buying more when you feel that FOMO temptation. So yeah, really, really great stuff from APECOIN right here. Just before I go, make sure you do jump into the Discord channel. You can also find that in my description below. Don't forget to enter the $100 giveaway as well. You don't want to miss out on that. Entries will be counted daily, and the giveaway announcement date, pardon me, is on the 24th of May 2022. So we've still got a good 3 weeks before I announce the giveaway, and I'll probably do this live or something as well. So thanks so much guys for support. Have a great weekend. Subscribe, comment, like, stay crypto safe. Bye now.